Hello dear fans. Few facts about the Sahara Desert. Sahara is rightly called the queen of the deserts of the entire planet. The vast sandy expanses stretch for 4,800 kilometers from east to west and almost 1,200 kilometers from north to south, covering about 9 million square kilometers of parched African land. The desert relief in the heart of the Sahara is revived by the Tibesti highlands with the giant Zahagir and the volcano Amikusi, which have stepped over the 3,000 m line. Flowing streams of fertile moisture. The rest of the Sahara is swallowed up by a giant accumulation of sandy mass, the Great Eastern Erg, Ergijadai, Erg Chebbi, the Great Western Erg, Erg Shesh, with 200-meter pyramidal dunes, sickle-shaped dunes, inducing mystical, singing sands. Numerous wadis, drying up river beds, form the inner river network of the desert, which fills up after the strong August floods. In spring, the formidable desert besieges travelers with multi-day dust storms brought by southern winds. The air temperature during the day rarely drops below 40 degrees, often reaching its record levels 70 to 80 degrees above zero. The plant diversity of the Sahara is not numerous, mainly the green inhabitants of the oases. The herbaceous cover of waterless areas is represented by scarce species suitable for grazing. The fauna is represented by jerboas, mongoose, and a few ungulates, cheetahs, and many reptiles are found. Thanks for watching.